Alright, what is up guys? It's your boy Mario back with another hiking video. We already actually just started it, at least from the parking lot. We're already kind of running out of air already. We're actually out here in Idyllwild today, Idyllwild, California, and we're gonna do the Suicide Rock trail. It's off the Deer Springs Trail. So here's a sign: Mountain San Jacinto State Park, Deer Springs Trail. We got our free permit pass from the ranger station. So you need one of these. I don't know if you need an adventure pass. Maybe if you park in one of the designated parking areas. We kind of parked off the side of the road, so I don't know if that matters. But yeah, I'm looking forward to this hike. I guess it's a great view. It might be, I think it's easy. I think it's moderate hike. There's gonna be some inclines, you know, at least from what I've seen on all trails and videos. So should be a good time. Let's get to it. We're only about what, 20 minutes in? Started getting hot. Take that sweater off already, even though it's pretty chilly out here still. Maybe like 65 or so. Nice view. It's actually nice when it's cloudy. Yeah. I feel like it's gonna get too warm, especially when exerting energy. Ouch. Ouch. In, mainly incline, some flat here and there, but it's mainly incline. So at least we chose a good day. It's nice and fresh, not too bad. Let's keep at it. So if you see a mountain lion, what's your first move? What you gonna do?
Like that.
Huh?
Throw my stick at it.
Throw your stick at it? And what if you miss?
Try to pick something up.
Try to pick what up? A rock?
Yeah.
Pick up a pine cone.
A pine cone.
My first move is probably stand still. Hopefully it ignores me. But if it's staring right at me, I guess try to make some loud noises or something. Try to scare it away. And if it comes charging at me, probably extend this hiking pole as long as it can. And then probably be on guard with it like I'm fucking, like I'm, what do you call it? What's those people called?
I don't know.
Those people who are be jousting? No, not jousting. What's the word? I don't know. If you know what it's called, comment down below. I'd be like, whew, be on guard with it. If that don't work, don't fight for my life, boys. Don't play with me. I just feel like, you know, if it came down between me or the mountain lion, it's probably for sure be the mountain lion. Just because, just imagine all the adrenaline pumping through, first of all, you know, a human's veins, but compare that to like the instincts and like the adrenaline of a wild animal. And it's like really, I mean, we're, what's it called? Fight or flight. You know, we don't experience that much in real life, but a wild animal, they experience that a lot more often than we do, so they're probably well more prepared to handle that. You know, nature has them well prepared for that adrenaline to kick in and, you know, survive or kill. So I don't have my hopes high if it was me against a mountain lion, that's for sure. Pretty huge up here. I mean, obviously there's different ones. This one's pretty big. It's like the size of a football. Let's see. Tom Brady. Easy touchdown, boys. Ooh, that's so beautiful over there. We hit the milestone. Not the milestone, but the sign right here. We can go one more mile. Suicide Rock. Look at that. That's beautiful. I don't know if you can see that clear on the GoPro, but I feel like that kind of reminds me of Yosemite a little bit, huh?
Yeah.
The exposed
The
rock
rock
and stuff like that.
yeah.
It's really pretty. Yeah, one more mile to go. 75 minutes to like an hour and 15 minutes to get to this point. So only one more mile. We're almost there pretty much. Let's go. Cool little overlook area right here on the trail. drop off. A lot of rocks down here, kind of little valley in there. Hear water running. Might cross it up there, huh? There probably. Yeah, that's probably why we hear that. That's why we see a lot of squirrels over here. Where there's water, there's life. I'm sure. Wow, pretty. Bunch of it's really pretty, but also a lot of mosquitoes there. Little squirrel down there enjoying his breakfast. Sucking on the nipple of life. Huh. Almost there. Yeah, if I can leave some for me. Almost there. I just have to go up this switchback going up. It should be right around the corner. It's nice and sunny now, except for the shady spots, but it's definitely a lot breezier up here, a lot windier. The jacket going back on. Guys, I think we made it. Nobody here unless someone the peak. I don't know. It's pretty good right now, but it's like a big area. We might be the only ones up here right now. So it's pretty cool up here because there's a lot of kind of areas you can kind of roam around. A lot of places you can just chill at. But right now it's super windy, as you can hear. But the views are awesome. Just come up here, enjoy lunch or breakfast, early lunch. But I'm fasting, so I'm not gonna eat up here. Might eat something downtown. But yeah, it's pretty nice. Alrighty guys, so we made it to the top. It took us about an hour and 55 minutes, so less than 2 hours. You know, we stopped here and there to actually, you know, record video and stuff like that. So like, you know, like I've said before, it might take you a little bit less if you know, at a better pace than we are. Most of it was pretty moderate, I would say. There's a lot of flats and a lot of like kind of hillies or little kind of steep places. You know, towards the end it got a little bit more tiring because there's a little bit more of a steep towards the end. But yeah, I mean, it wasn't too bad at all. It's pretty, actually really enjoyable, mostly shaded. Came here early, so I'd have to say that it was kind of cold in the beginning, but once the sun comes out it gets a little bit warm. But once you get higher there's more wind, so it does get a little bit more chilly. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Like I said before, you know, a lot of the people who view my videos end up not subscribing, so please do me the favor and subscribe and help this channel grow. I'm trying to hit my 1,000 subscriber goal. So see you on the next one. When?
In Arizona, I'm being a big, you don't want to do that.
Alright, get down. That's actually pretty cool because there's a lot of spots that you can just kick it at, walk around, enjoy a bit. Wherever you go, you have a good view of everything pretty much, so. Hey babe, record me. We're gonna snap a kneecap. Nice little place to make some food, probably, I don't know. Steep drop.